Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try to decorate our coffee stand or coffee table area and kind of make it more Christmassy, make it a little bit more of a cocoa and coffee stand. And I look a hot mess today. I have not put makeup on. I'm still in my pajamas, but I'm trying to get this Christmas stuff done. Oh, thank you. And baby boy's just chilling. Abel's here to help me. Jade is taking a nap, and Georgie went to his Grammys to wash her car. So I have a little bit of free time right now to be able to get this done. I have a little helper that's probably gonna help me out. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible, but I wanted to film us doing this little coffee stand. I have a 3-tiered tray that I wanna decorate. And a lot of times those can be a little bit tricky when you're trying to decorate a smaller space like that with 3 different tiers. So I thought it would be fun to show y'all how we decorate ours in case you guys need some inspiration for your own, or you're trying to build your own little coffee cocoa stand in your home. So y'all come along, hope you get some inspiration and some Christmas joy, and let's get decorating.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
So this is horrible lighting for my face, but I want to show y'all I have tons of Santa mugs and I'm super excited about them. I'm going to try to put the Santa mugs up first because that's like a big item. So I always use the bigger stuff first, and then I kind of add the smaller and medium things around it, kind of like I did the bookcase. But I have this Santa mug from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Walmart, and this one is my absolute favorite. This one is from Target this year. And then I have some smaller ones from Target last year. So I'm gonna grab those and show those to you guys. But I bought like 2 or 3 of each of these, so I have quite a few. All right, so these are the small ones from Target last year that I actually got at dirt cheap. So I got them super cheap. But I just love how cute they are. Plus they're big enough, or small enough, I guess I should say, for the kiddos to use. Now I'm still afraid of them like dropping them, they will break. But they use these for their hot cocoa, like for Christmas Eve and stuff like that. They love these. So these are super cute.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
Okay, so I just threw those up there. I don't have batteries in them yet. I gotta find batteries to see what it looks like. But just to make it like symmetrical, because when I had it hanging on the hook that they have, the first star like starts down here and then goes up to there so that you can see the sign. But if I tie it so that it looks even, then it kind of covers the sign, but I figured it's not that bad. So once I put the batteries in and turn it on and see what it looks like, then I'll make that decision. So I really love the way that it's turned out so far. And then I've got all my mugs up here, my Christmas and Santa mugs. And then we come down here and I've got this little setup here. I like it so far, but after I put everything else up in the house, I have a couple more things to put up in the kitchen and the kids' rooms. I don't know, we'll see if it changes at all, but I really love the way I ended up putting this together. It's definitely all about the Santa mugs and, you know, coffee and cocoa. We've got a couple things, obviously, like, you know, right here for the marshmallows. We got here for the chocolate syrup, just a couple straws to stir with. And then, of course, everything else is just Christmassy and Santa. I love it. And this is the whole thing. This table right here, my husband made for me. Super simple. We just bought these little, like, cute little spindle legs at Home Depot, and then we had extra wood, and it's just a super tall, tiny table. But it looks really nice right here in this corner. And this is our setup.
Feeling alone. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna.
Well, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you loved it. I hope you got some inspiration. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching all my Christmas content. I love Christmas, if you don't already know that. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.
On the chimneys, and the candles have a certain